Hello, brother Ojugo. I know say na old video I sent to you. Yes, I am sending it. Tell your Pastor Peter to leave me alone. Your Pastor Peter is looking for me. He want to kill me and my children. Tell Peter to stay clear away from me. Otherwise, I go expose Pastor Peter for this week. Everything where Pastor Peter be, I know everything. The way he kill his wife, I know. The way he kill, sacrifice his father, I know. The way they suck people blood, Yankee wife wey miscarriage 4 times, na Peter, I know. Everything where they happen to Wale, na Peter, I know. Everything where they happen to member in that church, na Pastor Peter. Pastor Peter is killing people in that church silently, initiating children, taking people destiny. Tell Peter to stay clear away from me. Do you hear me? Tell Peter I'm sending all the Igbo people, all the Agbo people, all Peter friends. Peter should stay clear away from me. If Peter not stay clear away from me, now me go expose her for this week. Now me go close that church. Now me gather that church for Pastor Peter Oani. Now me gather that church. Now me go see scatter that church. Pastor Peter, that day when you see me for outside, when I dey talk to Minister Samuel with Papa Teddy Theophilo, I was reporting Peter to make them wanna. Pastor, they always touch me. The first day when Pastor Peter take 2 hands, rub my shoulder. Now bats, that's the way they fly. When wish they turn to. Pastor Peter, they turn to bats. Bats where they fly. Now Peter he flexed for my back too. He want carry me fly, go that kiddo. Make it God they use me for evil message. He said because now my spirit and shadow, now they cover people for that church. Anytime I enter that church, now so he might go call say this woman don't still come church. The mission where be one do it, not fit do one. That's I enter that church. I don't cover everybody where they that church with my shadow and the angel and spirit where they follow me. Pastor not feel afraid there. Because of that, Pastor can't use me. He can't put 2 back for my back. Make him carry me fly. That if he carry me reach that kid where go kill his wife, where give her power. There that temple, that their evil temple. There he will come say yes. This is the woman that is disturbing me. That I cannot attack any of my member. So I want you to put this woman as a member of this temple, so that they use me. I'll come be their evil messenger. Now me go anybody where they want key. Now me go they fly, go they breed the person con. Now Pastor be do me. I got Ojugo. Listen to me carefully. I want you to give this record to Peter to listen. I get family for her. I not fall from heaven. My father was a chief to Oba of Benin before he died. Oba of Benin, Okuto Tebite, Ogidiga, Oba Atokbe, he said my father was a chief there before he late. Now my senior brother that senior me 2 times, he's not the chief. He carry my papa position in that palace now. My senior brother now chief for Oba Palace. My father title before now my senior brother when senior me 2 times now he carry the title now for Oba Palace there. Me I be Oba Pikin. I come from Benin, real typical Benin from Oba family. Now Pastor Peter want try. He want try. If we talk of wish, now we get wish. If you talk of power, now we get power. If we talk of God, serving God, now we tell Peter to stay clear away from me. Number 2, I senior Pastor Peter. I senior her with almost 60, 70 years. Pastor Peter should not try me again. He should leave me and my children alone. He should leave me and my well-wisher alone. People that wish me good, that choose me as a mother. Pastor Peter should stay clear away from them. They are my children. If Pastor Peter try any one of them again, they can't tell me, say, see what Pastor Peter do. Now this Vic street, now I go disgrace Pastor Peter. I go hold her, I go disgrace her. I go fight her. Go and mark my wall. You know me now. Ojugo, you know me right from time. Go and want Peter to stay clear away from me. Now me go drive Pastor Peter for this week. I knock my table. Now me go drive that man for this week. I go disgrace her. I go close that church. Make it like carry any of my name, go any other again. It don't say carry my name now. It don't go summon me for that kid where they give her power where he kill his wife. Pastor Peter power where he go use his wife do. Now power to heal, power to inflict sickness, power to attack members. Then he go see hidden. Now be the power where he go as where they give her where he kill his wife. He no ask for power make his church full. If to say make a church full, they for still give her that power. A church for don't full everywhere. But no, he no ask. He go ask for power of to inflict to heal. He go put sickness for person body, go heal her. He go attack them, he go heal her. Now the power where Peter sick, now they give her. Now Peter go summon my picture there. Because I said 3 people made them wanna. I sent Mr. Dean. I sent Minister Samuel and Theophilus made them wanna. The last hand where they touch me, when you see us for front of church, that the way Minister Samuel, they talk to me, they beg me. He used and rub my shoulder. As I reach us, I call Oba Palace. I call my people there. I call the chief there. See one of our pastor, Pastor Peter Anibodo. See the way he still take and rub me again. Now instantly for Palace there, they tell me say, now stroke. Now it be put for my body. He be attack me with stroke. Me, Oba Pikin. Ah no. He be attack me with stroke. Stroke. So I return immediately. I return that stroke back to Pastor Peter. I am fine. As you can see, nothing go do me. No man born of a woman. No man that have prick. That have that bath with water of God. No woman that have toto. Where they use water of God, they bath, they eat, they cook. Go fit kill me. Never. Never. Now only God will give me to my mama pa. Now I go fit call me when the time reach. That is from 120 to 130. That is the year God give me. Now I go spend for this life before I go. My children too. 120, 130. Tell Peter, they no fit kill me. Eh? So one Pastor Peter to stay clear away from me. That stroke where put for my body, that day when you see say they talk to Minister Samuel, I don't return her back to her. He carried my neck, go the altar. He said, see this woman. It's the woman that is disturbing me in that church. He's narrating me, want to disgrace me. Please, can you people use this woman for another power? They tell her for that kid, don't know. We don't give 2 power to each person. Now one power where you ask, we don't give you. So this woman, you don't see her. You don't see say waiting follow her. This woman a fire of God. Not if he do her. You not fit kill this woman. You not fit inflict her with disease. You not fit kill the children. Nothing. You not fit do her. The only thing you fit do where you go get peace for that land where you dey. Go and beg this woman. Go and beg for forgiveness. Because you don't to disturb this woman. Go beg her. If he forgive you, you are free. If you not beg her, this woman, it go scatter your church. Your church go close and you go run for that land of Vic. Now wait till they tell Peter for that altar. Tell her, it not shock you. It not shock you now. How many times they know waiting that they tell Peter for that altar? It not shock you. When I say they look me say me I be ordinary person. Me I be child of God though. God though open my eye. Every time afternoon, God, they open my eye, they see something. It not shock you. It go shock you. Now, wait till they tell Peter, they say, go and beg this woman. If you want peace, you want to live in that land of Vic, go and beg this woman. Because if this woman vex, it go drive you for that land of Vic. All your church go scatter. And I'm ready. I'm going to scatter that church. Mark my word. Since Peter say, now me gather that church for Peter. I be use all my church man to follow Peter. He not give me evangelistic post. But now me choose evangelistic post by myself. I gathered that church for when we were in Manor Church. This Casa Barata, I gathered that church. But now Peter said, now me want use for sacrifice. You know how many times don't attack my children? He don't attack Isaac around December time. December time be one let me use cry theater December. That people come they ask me say, Mama nana how it happen na? Mama nana how it happen? How it happen? December something. Now Peter be praying. I return her back to her. Then this June, it be one say attack Nana. It be attack Nana with one long spoon, wood spoon, way long. He come my house because they shock my son to death. With that long spoon where they use for their kingdom. But I beat Peter. That night I beat Peter. That was on the 4th of June. Daybreak night they said TB Joshua died. I beat that Peter that night. I break his leg. I remove his 2 eyeball. His 2 eyeball I remove. I throw away for bush. I throw away Peter for bush. On Sunday on the 6th of June I come church. Now Wale can say he have 2 revolution. You were in the church. If you not there, your wife go there. When Wale say I have 2 revolution, there is a man. They beat here. They remove the 2 eyeball. They throw away 2 eyeball. They beat and they remove the 2 eyeball. Now me beat Peter on the 4th night. On the 4th that day for night, I remove the 2 eyeball. But Pastor Wale here say, let's pray for the man. If you know you are the person, put your hand for your eyeball. Pastor Peter stand for altar. He put the 2 hand for eyeball. He wants to put hand for eyeball. Then they pray. I laugh. That day I laugh. I just laugh and say, see an evil man. Make he try me. Now he prick I go cut. If he come again, I go cut he prick come out. Not be say go evil born. The wife will even marry now. He don't even carry all the children where this his wife womb. He don't take her so seed for that side. He don't so her so seed. Minister Samuel don't even take him out. Tell her say, Father, I need the power where they say you get. They say you be a occultive man. They say this sort of na iroko tree na so snake full. Now me tell her like that. So I want to have that power. Initiate me. Initiate Minister Samuel. So very soon, Minister Samuel will sacrifice his wife for his son. Go and mark my word. He don't initiate her. And they don't relieve Pastor Peter for that side. Now, don't bring man. They won't give her another power post. But tell Peter to stay clear away from me and my family and my loved ones. He know my loved ones now. He know the people who choose me as a mother. Like person like Mama Michael and his children. He should stay clear away from them all. Otherwise, I go expose Peter. Oh. I go expose her. Much way give Mama Michael. The brother and his son will drink that more. They nearly die. Now God save them. So they can't call home. They ask us, they can't tell us which month to not drink. That month was initiated in the kingdom of darkness. To tell Peter to stay clear away. Ojugo, you are free. Peter, if he use you. If he use your wife. If he use your only daughter. No problem. Because now your papa, you are partly Agbo, partly Igbo. Your wife na Igbo. So may God let Peter get hand. May get mind to carry any of you of your family or your children. By that time your eye go clear. Because me, I not relate to Igbo. Some. I not relate to Agbo. Some. I'm a typical Benin from Oba Palace. From kingdom of Oba Palace. Tell Peter he cannot use Benin people. You are free. Your wife is free. Your daughter is free. He can use any Igbo people. Ucheche get 4 boys there. Akudo get children there. Many Igbo people there. So make he use any of them. Mivu Isha people there. Where he love her. Make he use them. Tell Peter to stay clear away from me. Send her this voice record. If you listen, finish, let me share that to her. Okay? Thank you. God, you they send me something, I they see him. Now make me see they send you waiting me they pass through. Exactly where this man talk. This audio video 2017 where this man talk. Now Peter there now. As God take catch this man. Now so God go see catch Peter, go expose him. Peter go sit down, he go confess, he go die. Go and mark my word. Disgrace, I go enter Peter for this week. Anywhere I see him for Lakaye, I go disgrace Peter. Either he talk to me or not talk to me, I go clap hand for Noah. I go disgrace Peter for this week because he don't try me. I will say he never try me. Now Peter don't try me several times. He don't try my son. He don't try my daughter. He don't try my nana, all my children. He don't try me 2 times. First one, I put bats, make I follow a fly, make they use me for evil message. The second one, I come take and rob me for stroke. Tell Peter, I go disgrace her. I send you this message. So send that to her. All of una be the same thing. All of una be evil. Evil men, evil women in that church.